two more drawings. I don't know when I did these. I'm going to guess 1969, 70, 71. Got a man, it's like holding something up. I don't know, it think like a rifle or a gun. And we had this almost like outer space kind of sci-fi. Ooh, I should watch Close Encounters of the Third Kind tonight. Nice getaway movie. Great movie, actually. Great sci-fi movie. Drawing for a sculpture on a table. It's like homage to the sneaker. Running shoes. Sneaker, like out in the Northeast 50 years ago. I think they still use that term out there. Interesting. I'm going to put one more drawing out here. What do we got here? Plant forms as carvings. This is also undated. Has a number 18. I wonder if it's part of the assignment or something. A photocopy of a drawing I did, which I think I sent my sister-in-law. January 8, 1973. Okay. Manan Ashanti carving, British Museum. I hadn't been to Britain, so I must have seen it in a book. Nice bird. Lower level fossilized coral shell. I wonder if I was at the Museum of Natural History in Manhattan. Carved wooden bracelets. Plant forms as carvings. Anyway, there you have it.